Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. So within this video I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of different tips. So I'm going to be showing you guys 7 tips which you can use in your gameplay in Tears of the Kingdom. So let's get right into it. For our first tip, if you want to find the bargainer statues, all you have to do is go under the goddess statues and then you'll find the bargainer statue. Instead of paying 100 pos for each bargainer location, you can save around 700 or 600 pos with that. So for example, there's a goddess right here. If you go underneath that, straight underneath, you'll find the bargainer statue right there. Same for all the other ones, and with that you can find different armor sets such as Dark Link and the Gloom set. So on to the next tip. For tip number 2, all you want to do is head over to Goron City and then head over to this river right here. So you want to go to the shrine, take the path down until you see the end of the water. There should be an Octorok here, and when you see this route, all you want to do is go up to it. So when we go up to it right here, just drop your weapon, drop any weapon that you want. Let's just say increase the stats, anything like that. All you have to do is let me find one right here. Okay, let's just say this sword, drop it, and then walk away. It should suck it up and send it back to you with a different stat. And before you do that, save. And let's just say you don't get what you like, then you can go back to the save and keep on doing it. So as you can see, it's going to take that up, and then it should. I don't think it could do it with this one. Yeah, with this one you can't do it. So I'm pretty sure with special swords like that one you can't. So let me do it with this destroy. Drop. So it should take that up, and then. So once it starts swallowing it, as you can see, it gave it a stat right there. When it does that, you know it gave it a stat. So it gave it attack up 8, which is pretty good. I like this one, so I'm going to stay with this one. But let's just say you don't like it, you could go back to the save right here, load, go back to the save, and you can keep on doing it until you get the one you like. You could also do this with shields, swords, and bows. And yeah, so if you enjoy this one, I'd like. So let's get on to the next tip. So for tip number 3, if you're struggling to fight Glyos, all you want to do is grab yourself a 3-shot bow and then grab yourself some eyes. So for me, I got the Ice Keys eyes. So where are they? Right here. I got Ice Keys eyeballs because they lock on instantly. So let me show you guys what I mean. Alright, so to start off, right, all you guys want to do now, grab your eyes and then do that. That should just lock on. And then you just want to keep on doing that. It just locks on. So just keep on doing that. Once it does that, just go up to it and just hit. I'm gonna speed this fight up. So before it goes up, all you want to do is just spam it. And then it's just easy. That's all you have to do. It's just a simple shoot and hit. So you want to make sure you hit before it starts flying up. There we go, easy. It doesn't take that long. All you need is eyeballs. I would say around 10 eyeballs should be enough to defeat this. And you can do the same with the other ones. This one's just the easiest example. So yeah, if you're struggling with them, I really recommend this one. Okay, on to the next tip. So for our 4th tip, if you want to get into combat, this is a really basic you should know. So what you want to do, right, is grab a bomb flower and drop that, fuse it to your shield. So fuse. So one way you could do, you can parry while the enemy is about to hit you, which you'll do that, and then it will just explode. And you can do some other stuff too. And another one is this: you go flying into the air, and you can also go into bullet time with this, and you can also defeat Glyos with this. So earlier I showed you guys how to defeat Glyos with the eyeballs. If you do that and then shoot them with the eyeballs, it should help you a lot. Just in case they start flying, it should work. So let me give you guys an example. So once you do this, you can do that and then go into bullet time, grab whatever you want. Let's just say we're finding Glyos. Grab an eyeball, which should, let's just say it's right here. It should be here, right there, and then just shoot, and then it should just go for that eye straight away. And yeah, there's a really good combat tip. You can turn this into other stuff. If you guys want to see what you can do with this combo, comment down below and I'll show you how to carry this on with a combo. And yeah, so on to the next tip. For our last tip, number 5, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get pose. So all you want to do is head over to the underground map, and then you want to head over to the Napa Nos light route, or the Musasu light route, which is right under the Sonopan shrine and the Usazam shrine. So if you head right underneath these, you should go right here, which is the Blurpy Burrow, which is above the Satori mountain. So this is where you can find the blue horse in Breath of the Wild. Underneath this is the Blurpy Burrow. Right here you can find a bunch of pose. So we can find the grandpa right there, that's 20. You can find another bunch right here, and at every blood moon this respawns, so you can just keep on grinding it. And then there's more ahead. So around this area there's a bunch of pose here, if you're in need of any. So yeah, and the first time you come here there should be a bunch. When I mean a bunch, there should be a lot, because I've already came here. Not everything respawns during the blood moon. So yeah, and another good location for pose is right under the lookout landing. So I'm gonna head over there right now. So for this I recommend getting mineral, because gloom doesn't affect you, as you can see right here. So yeah, so the location I recommend is go around here, around the middle of the map, which should be under lookout landing, yeah, just about. So once you're here, once you look around, you should see a bunch of poses right here. So once you're here, look, as you can see there's some over there, there's more over here. It should be more for you guys because I've already collected some. So look, there's more over there, and the more you go on, the more you're just gonna find. It's just gonna keep on coming. And as you can see, there's more over there at the end. So yeah, I really recommend mineral though, because you could just zoom through this. So yeah, if I really wanted to grind, I would have gone all the way there. But since this is a video, I'm not gonna go there right now. But as you can see, there's one over there. There's more over there, and it should just keep on spawning once you go there. There's more over there too, as you can see. So yeah, this location is really great for pose farming, which with that you could get this. You could get the Gloom set, which is right here. This looks really cool with a certain weapon. You sort of look like the Grim Reaper. So yeah, and defeating bosses is pretty cool. And you can also get the Dark Link, which I haven't done yet because I haven't got up to that stage right now. I only got one of them. But yeah, so this is so we're gonna end the video right here. If you guys really enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, share the video, and comment down below what your favorite tip was. If you guys want any other type of video, just comment down below, I'll get them done. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.